I just picked up this awesome Traeger probe replacement. It's a pack of two. It's by a company called Yawa. Just want to show you guys these. They come in a pack of two, like I said. Here we have a black and a white one. I'll just pick one to show you. They come here with a probe tip. It's just a kind of plastic piece, as well as just the nice braided metal cable. The probe itself has a second length of about 6.3 inches. The total length from the metal to the metal end is going to be closer to 7. The whole cable, we have a length of 46 inches. So you're going to be able to have it on the other side of your grill from where your probe plugs in. It's super long. It's going to be really easy to use. Again, you just plug the 3.5 millimeter plug into the box on the Traeger, and then again with the probe, just insert it all the way into your meat or whatever you're cooking. Just wanted to show you guys my grill right here. Again, this is a Traeger, and these products are specific to the grills. There's a bunch of different grills that this company supports, including Traeger, Pit Boss, many other top ones. Here for the probe, I'm just gonna plug it in. You want to make sure it's plugged in all the way. Here you can see the probe temp. Maybe if I hold it in my hand, it would warm up just a tiny bit. It's pretty cold out here, as you can see. But I love how easy they are. They're exactly just like the genuine Traeger probes that I've used in the past. They work super well. You just, again, want to make sure with this you plug it in all the way so that it will read the temp. But once you do, you can see it comes up really clearly, really easy. Hope you guys enjoy.